chance again.
Hello, it's James here again from Riley's Autos, and today we called to look at a Volvo, and our kids or someone has been messing around. There's a little crack on the window here and they've knocked the wing mirror and casings off the car. So I know it's quite a common question. People don't know how to refit these. It's that shape, and you know, how does it go back on to this thing here? You got this little metal grommet on the window and it doesn't just push straight on. So what you've got to do is turn the wing mirror to the side like that, and if you just twist it around you should feel it drop in. Sorry, didn't see that. Yes, if you turn it around you'll feel it drop into place like that. Once it's dropped in, you just need to twist the complete mirror until it goes into place. Sorry, it's just a bit hard trying to do it single-handedly. Right, so let's get that again. So now it's twisted and it's gone in, so we're just going to try and twist and lock it into place. Let's try that, but I'm going to try holding it from here this time. So yeah, as you can see there, it's a little bit fiddly trying to do it single-handedly, but as I've put the phone down and used my two hands, it's just gone on first try. So that's all you need to do, is put it on the slant and you need to click it into place, but you need to make sure as you're doing it, it's sitting flush with the windscreen so it's not popping off. And that's on. Now we can get these plastic covers and just slide it into place, and that should just push into place like that. And we've got another two little pieces here that go in just under here. And just pushes into place. Quite simple. And here again, more little plastic clips that just push into place. Just makes the job look a little bit more difficult than it is when you're doing it with one hand while recording. And that just pushes in there. And we've got one working wing mirror. And that's all done.